morning, everybody. Hi, I'm Tia, and I'm going to be taking you along with me today, and you're going to see what a day in my life is like. So yeah, a little bit about me is that I am a digital arts student. This is my second year in the program, and I absolutely love it. If any of you guys are interested in digital arts, you should definitely take this one. What else was I going to say? I don't remember. I'm really tired. It's early. So I'm going to get ready for the day. Let's go. Morning, people. Welcome to a day in my life. Today is more of a work day in the studio because, you know, KSP is awesome. Also, don't mind the cucumber. I eat one just about every day. So tonight there's actually a free Kernels game for Kirkwood students. It's gonna be so fun. That's so wonderful that Kirkwood does these free events for students. I think that's pretty cool. So, yeah. Oh dear. Honestly, guys, I wish you could see the camera setup I have in my car because it looks like a homeschool project. That's pretty fun. I was homeschooled, so, you know, that's why I have to do it. I really hope I'm not late. I'm supposed to be there in 10 minutes, and I have 10 minutes of driving plus walking into the building. It's because of this video. I'll blame it on the video. No, it's because I took forever to curl my hair. Alright, friends, I made it here on time. I have like 2 minutes, so let's go. Okay, I'm literally like almost 3 minutes late. Look at the time. I made it. We're now gonna set up more for the shoot today. Alright, this is my friend Anna.
What's up?
And we are currently writing a bunch of things for today's shoot.
Cool.
All our papers. We got 6.
So we're doing unpopular opinions, and someone is trying to debate that this is good. You know?
Yeah. And they might not even agree with it, but they have to pretend they agree with it.
Yeah.
Well, that was a very awesome shoot. Now, time to go be a productive human being and let's do homework. I know. Boom. All right, that's enough homework. Time for a snack. I have my lovely raisins and almonds that I bring just about every day. Right now, I'm eating outside of my office because we're not allowed to eat food in there. So I'm eating it out here in the little lobby room in between all the offices. So I'm being a good, responsible student. Yeah. All right, we're here at the baseball game. This is Ty.
Hello.
I love my lovely brother. So, all right, let's go.
Hi there. Hey, how are you doing today?
Good, how are you?
Good, there's your ticket and enjoy the game.
Awesome, thank you very much. Come on, Ty.
Thanks, guys.
Thank you very much.
Popcorn, super good. My pretzel with cheese.
Ladies and gentlemen, here are the starting lineups for tonight's game between the visiting Wisconsin and shortstop number 8.
Ty. Ty.
All right, Kernels fans, here behind home plate.
I hate that. Alright, Ty. Want to get ice cream?
Yeah.
How do you go?
Get set, go! Go! Pizza!
Yeah, go Pizza Man!
Now we'll see if Mr. Silverman.
Pizza, pizza!
Close! Oh!
I don't care if I ever get that Grammy room.
Ah, that was such a fun game. Time to eat supper. Also, a huge shout out to my awesome Korean mother, who is not just awesome in general, but she even made Korean food tonight. She made japchae, one of my favorite meals. So yeah, I'm pretty lucky. All right, friends, it has come to the end of the day. I know, it's time to say goodbye. But thank you for watching this video. I hope you enjoyed it. And yeah, have a great rest of your school year. Bye.